this new product by AnthroSpa for 2020. It's an awesome new product for your hair, and I love it because it does more than one thing. It styles your hair, but it also hydrates and conditions your hair and encourages healthy hair growth. I love this product because it has all kinds of antioxidant-rich ingredients to keep your hair smooth and shiny and healthy and to help it grow. So this is a cream that I'm just going to apply to my freshly washed hair, and I'm just going to show you how I part it in sections to apply the product. So I'm going to just part a little section like so. What I love about this product is that it's actually activated with water, or you can use this brand new product by AnthroSpa, which is a hydrating hair mist, a taming and conditioning mist. So this mist also detangles your hair, so it makes it soft and smooth, and it activates this styling cream by AnthroSpa. So I added a little bit of the hydrating detangler, and then I added a little bit of the cream to my hair, and this product is very concentrated, so you only need a very small amount of cream. And I love how this product texturizes and smooths my hair and defines the curls. So it really takes out that frizz that I see in my hair after I wash it and let it dry. My hair is still a little bit damp, and you see how the curls are smooth and defined as soon as I add the product. So this is a really no fuss hairstyle that I can do. So I just keep parting my sections and adding my mist. Keep adding. My cream to each small section of hair, and it continues to define the hair. So I love how these curls came out. This is my wash and go style. Super easy, and my hair is super soft and hydrated, and this product will help nourish my hair, keep it soft and shiny, and help my curls stay smooth and help my hair grow. Very easy wash and go, smooth and defined style. This product can be used to smooth and tame and shape any hairstyle and any hair texture.